coat, cheddar, so bomb, she the bumpy. Hairstyle, lifestyle, vlogs on the way.
What's up, friends? Thanks for stopping by the channel. Get into these fall inspired nails. We're gonna do them together. Stick around. Gonna just first remove the nail and the fun tack from the back so that I can reuse it. It's not like some of those other products where you can use it once and done. I'm so happy I found this product. I used to use glue, a dab of glue. Most times it was a disaster. Here's the creator of the nails I'm gonna try. I believe that's Kitten Nail Fairy. That's how you pronounce her Instagram hashtag. I'm gonna add all my polishes to the plate so that it's just easier when I'm picking them up. Then I don't have to keep reopening the bottles. I'm using 4 or 5 brushes, the fan to glitter, the long one for curves, this really skinny one for lines, one to fill in, and the 5th one to clean up mistakes. In the inspiration photo, there's no picture of the thumb, so I'm just copying one of the other nails. I'm trying to create this heart, but realizing my brush is a little bit dirty and it's just old polish stuck on it, so I can't even create lines the way I was hoping to. Another brush to the rescue. 1 layer complete under the lamp for 10 seconds. Then I'll do a 2nd layer under the lamp, and now we're on to the next color, and the process just keeps repeating with a different color. Too much polish can cause that wrinkled effect, and we don't want that. So I'm just gonna wipe off some of that extra. I'm using gold polish as a base, so the glitter will just look extra sparkly. I was struggling, y'all, with this little brush, and then I remembered, duh, just use the regular paintbrush. Now I got this nice blended color and no streaks. Do me a favor, try doing your nails at home one time. Just try it, see how you like it. I started doing these nail videos because I'm excited for the journey and the progress, and now I want to encourage you to try and do your nails as well. For me, it only took 2 salon visits to cover the cost of my supplies, and with more practice, the better I get. So there's pros and cons to everything, right? But when I write it down, when I look at it, there are way more pros to doing it myself at home than to going to the salon. I mean, we could talk about it, but it might take some time. The 4 pros that were the most important for me: I'm saving time, saving money, caring more about my health and well-being, and the customer service is always on point. And for each reason, I have like 4 or 5 bullet points under there for why it just makes so much sense. I'm not going to deep dive today. Just comment and let me know if you tried it. Hold up, pause that. Y'all, I tried to paint without curing, and terrible idea. They started to blend immediately. Cure after each color. Don't try to be rushing stuff, okay? Don't try to be a professional. That ain't you yet. Anyway, poor or inadequate nail preparation, too much polish, old polish, old UV lights or placed in the incorrect spot under the UV light is what can cause that ugly wrinkles that's right there, which I was trying to avoid earlier. And here comes the frustration. This little bulb of polish makes the lines crooked. It just doesn't look seamless.
It is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church.
Remember to just use the alcohol wipe to remove mistakes. This way you don't add any little dust particles. Sometimes I find that just doing it fast and not slow and steady will get a better outcome. And that's what I did, and this is what I got. Friend, please like the video. It helps out the channel so much. And subscribe if you're interested in seeing more. At this point, that's how I was feeling. I just didn't want to record anymore. And it all felt very repetitive. So, I mean, you see me adding the colors. So, let's just move to that pinky, okay? Glitter time! So, put some top coat and then spread the glitter everywhere. Everywhere. And for the other ones, I'm just going to add the black line and glitter. And boom! That's what we get. I love them. You love them. If you do, like, comment, tell me how much you love them. And here's my truth. I'm 29 years old with this terrible nail biting habit. I've been using keratin and Stipe the Bite to help me with consistency. It does. And with practice, my nails are getting better. Thank you so much for watching.